Hello students, today we will learn about pronouns. Earlier also we have done this topic. Today we will know more about this. So here we are, pronouns. Pronouns. What are pronouns? So pronouns are words that replaces nouns. Okay. Pronouns are words that replace nouns like I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. For a girl, we use she or her. For a group of children or people, we used to say them or they. And for the object, we say it. Okay. Now we come to know definition, pronouns, noun and pronoun. Obviously, pronouns takes the place of noun or it replaces noun. But what is the difference? What is the main difference? Like noun, a noun is a word that names a person, object, idea or place. That names person, object, idea or place. And pronoun takes the place of a noun or pronoun, saving the need to write the noun twice. Okay. Noun is the name of the object and whatever word is replacing means I am not taking name, then it is pronoun. Like Vinita Sharma is a teacher. Vinita Sharma is your English teacher. So I am saying, I am not taking my name, I am saying I. Vinita is my name. So name is noun and I am not using a Vinita, I am using I. So I is pronoun. Are you getting me? I am not taking your name. I am saying you, your, my class. So you, your are pronouns. Okay. Now you are getting what are pronouns. Next, come to the next slide. Use of personal pronoun. Here, first of all, I would like to tell you about the types of pronoun. So what are the types of pronoun? Pronouns are words that we use at the place of noun. It also have certain types. Personal, first of all, I would like to tell you the names. Personal, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, indefinite, reflexive or intensive or reciprocal. Okay, names are these. Now see the details. Personal pronoun used for a specific object or person. Why we use personal pronoun? Used for a specific object or person. Subjective case, objective case and possessive case. Subjective case: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. In the case of subject. When we take it as an object in the sentence, like me, us, you, them, him, her, it, and possessive, my, our, your, their, his, her, its. I'll frame a sentence: I, me, mine. Okay. I have given my book. Okay. I have given my book. I and mine. For me, this is good. Okay. So like this we use pronoun. Next is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns that identify one or show one. Like whenever you go somewhere, you go to buy something, to purchase something like a mobile or a washing machine or a LED or LCD. So the person who is there in the shop used to show everything. This TV is having this quality, the size of this TV is this. Or if I talk about the mobile, then this mobile is of this company and the feature of this mobile. So that time he used word this, that, these, those. This, that we use for singular, these, those for plural. Singular of this is these, singular, this is singular, and plural of this is these, and plural of that is those. So in the same manner he used to show you some object. Clear? So it means he is demonstrating you the object, demonstrating, showing you, telling you the quality of object. So that is called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, then come to the next one, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns used to ask question about a person or object that we do not know about. Clear? Used to ask question. Whenever we ask question about a person or object that we do not know about, we are not aware of it, then the words used are called interrogative. Mainly these are of WH family. WH family like who, whom, which, what, whoever, whichever. Clear? One more word is here, why. But why is not interrogative pronoun, because why gives the reason of because, not the answer of noun, not the answer of what. And noun is the name, and because is not giving the name, it's giving a reason. So keep in mind this thing. Next is yours relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is used to join or relate two different clauses, phrases, so that it can form a sentence. When we join two different clauses, we use relative pronoun like who, whom, whose, which, and that. The boy whom I met was drunk. The boy whom I see last night was the first person who met the president. Okay. The book which I gave you was written by Mulk Raj Anand. Clear? Next, indefinite pronouns used to show unspecified object or people, whether in plural or in singular. Means you are not aware that the object is, what is the object, and either it is plural or singular. Like someone knocked here, we are not aware who are there and how many. Few, not countable. Anybody, anywhere, nowhere, and nothing. Next is reflexive and intensive pronouns. Reflexive and intensive pronouns. Reflexive and the intensive pronouns used to indicate a noun which has been used in an earlier part of the same sentence. Means used to indicate, tell us about a noun which is already used in sentence. Like myself, I do my work myself. Themselves, yourself, yourselves, herself, himself, and itself. Next is reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun used when two or more nouns are doing or being the same to one another. They are indicating to one another, each other and one another. Clear? These are the reciprocal pronouns, indicating each other or one another. Clear? So these are a type of pronoun. Now moving ahead, here I am telling you, first of all, talk about the personal pronoun. Its use of personal pronoun. What are the use of personal pronoun? First of all, having different forms. It indicates person, number, gender, or things which we are talking about. Next point is personal pronoun refer to one person, that is singular, or one person, that is plural. It also indicates gender of the nouns. Three gender forms: masculine, feminine and neuter gender. Masculine, male; feminine, female; neuter, object, like he, she and it. Okay, now this we have done. Now I am going back and I am going to show you a poem. It is a pronoun. Jack and Millie came to tea. Jack is he and Millie is she. Clear? Jack and Millie came to tea. Jack is he and Millie she. And little Susie, well, that's me. See, Jack is he. Jack is a noun. He is replacing Jack. Millie is she. Millie is a noun. She is replacing Millie. And Susie, the who is telling the poem is Susie. She is saying, that's me. Clear? Now pronouns, subjective, objective. Object for I is me, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Clear? I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. These are the pronouns. Today we have talked about pronouns, definition, use of personal pronoun and types of pronouns. In next video, one by one, we will discuss types of pronoun and I will describe it to you. Here we have done the types in brief. Okay, so now revise this and write these. Thank you.